Good morning students, welcome back in math class. Today we will start our new exercise 13.6 that is based on the volume of cylinder. You know very well the cylinder like this. It is a cylinder and its volume is pi r square h. This is its boundary, and if you will see this from the top, it looks like a circle, and this circle having the area pi r square and its boundary is known as the circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r, right? So students, in the first question you are given a cylindrical vessel and its circumference is given 132 centimeter. As I told you that circumference is equal to 2 pi r, so its value is 2 pi r is equal to 132, and height is also given 25 centimeter. Clear? So we are given the circumference and height of the cylindrical vessel, and we are saying to find out how much capacity, how much liter of water, how much liter of liquid can this cylindrical vessel be hold. So volume we have to find it here, but before finding the volume we have to search the radius of this cylindrical vessel. So we are given the circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 132, keeping the values of pi 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 132. Change this values 2 and 22 upon 7 on other side, 132 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Now cancel 2 to 132, it will become 66, 22 to 66, it is 3. Now 3 7 is 21. This is the radius. Now volume of cylindrical vessel is always pi r square h. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 into 2 times of radius 21 into 21 into height 25. 7 से 21 कैंसिल हो सकता है, 22 3 या 66 and 21 into 25, it is equal to 525. Now after multiplying 66 and 525, it is equal to 34650 centimeter cube, right students? Now students, if you want to convert into liter, you have to divide it by 1000. Now it will become in liter. It is equal to 34.650 liter. This is the final answer of your question. Note down this. Then we will start our new question. See this question number 2, that is containing inner diameter of cylindrical wooden pipe. You are having a wooden pipe like this, right? And this one is the outer, right? This is cylindrical pipe. This one is the thickness of your pipe. So you are given inner diameter and outer diameter. Inner diameter is given 24 centimeter and outer diameter is 28 centimeter. Right students? If inner diameter is 24, then it becomes like this. This one is the diameter. Then inner radius becomes 12 centimeter and outer radius, say R1 and R2, 14 centimeter. Is it clear? It is 12 and this one is 14 centimeter. Right students? Now the length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. The length remains same from inner to outer side. There is no change. Then you have to find the mass of this pipe. how much material is required to make this pipe. You have to find this. Okay students, so for getting this how much material is required, we have to find the volume of this pipe, right? So volume means हमें केवल चाहिए shaded part का. So for getting the volume of shaded part, we have to subtract the inner volume from the outer volume. Is it clear students? हमको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा इनर पाइप के वॉल्यूम को आउटर पाइप के वॉल्यूम से. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ पाइप दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो हाउ कैन वी डू दिस? आउटर वॉल्यूम माइनस inner volume, because both are cylindrical part. So outer volume is pi r2 square h minus inner pi r1 square h, where r2 and r1 are the outer radius and inner radius. Right students, you are seeing here pi is same in both cases and height is same. So pi and h we can take common. r2 is 14 square minus r2 is 12 square. Pi is 22 upon 7. Radius is 35. Now square of 12 and 14 is 144 and 196. Now we get 7 5 ja 35, 22 5 ja 110 into subtract this. 6 minus 4 we have 2, 9 minus 4 5, 1 minus 1 0. It is 52 into 110. 52 into 110 0. 11 2 ja 22. 11 ja 55, 56, 57. 5720 centimeter cube. This is the volume of your pipe. Now next is find the mass of the pipe also. So you can apply here mass of pipe is equal to volume into 1 centimeter cube का जो mass है वो है 0.6 ग्राम. So you have to multiply this 5720 into 0.6 gram. Now multiply this 5722 multiply by 0.6. It is equal to 3432. 3432 gram, I think. When you convert in kg, you have to divide it by 1000. It will become 3.432 kg. Right students? Let me check the answer. Exercise 13.6, question number 2. 3.432 kilogram. Right students? Okay. Next, question number 3. See this carefully. You are having two soft drink pack. One is in the form of like a fruity, you know, 10 rupees fruity, and other is in the form of tin. These are two cylindrical, one cylindrical and other one is the rectangular soft drink pack, right? A rectangular base of length 5, its length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter, right? And next one, that is the cylindrical, its diameter 7 centimeter and height 10 centimeter, right? एक है आपके पास रेक्टेंगुलर बेस है इसका, आप कह सकते हो क्यूबॉइडल टिन, एंड अदर वन इज द सिलेंड्रिकल टिन विच कंटेन्स मोर कैपेसिटी। आपको फाइंड करना है विच इज हैविंग मोर कैपेसिटी, right? More capacity means more volume. So first you have to find the volume of rectangular tin and then volume of cylindrical tin, then compare it which one is the greater volume. So first volume of rectangular tin, that is L into B into H. Length is 5, breadth is 4 and height is 15. 5 4 is 20 into 15, 300 centimeter cube. Right, students? And then second, volume of cylindrical tin, that is pi r square h, 22 upon 7. Radius is 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. Height is 10. Right? 7 to 7 cancel. 2 11 ja. 2 5 ja. 7 5 35. 35 into 11. 385 centimeter cube. So first one, rectangular tin having 300 centimeter cube. Cylindrical tin 385. So we can write here cylindrical tin having greater capacity by 85 centimeter cube. Clear, students? The difference between these two is 85 centimeter cube. Do these questions, students, in your notebook. We will discuss some more questions in our next video. Till then, goodbye, students. Thank you.